With today's idioms and their origins, I was asked an intriguing comment. Are there any idioms that we don't necessarily use anymore nowadays, but were wildly popular and we might still kind of remember them? Sure, we've got quite a few, and let's try one. Adam's ale or Adam's wine. Now, Adam's ale is simply water. That would be contrasting to any alcoholic beverage, and the first time we see it gaining popularity is in America in the 1930s with the American temperance movement. Now, obviously, this is a reference to the Bible's Adam and Eve, where likely the only drink Adam had was water. This was good enough because it comes directly from God. Now, it not only gains popularity as an idiom, but it also is an allusion to the Bible, a colloquialism. It's called Adam's wine in Scotland or just Adam in Britain. And it's also an epithet being used by alcoholic drinkers. So it comes into its wild popularity mostly in the 1920s in America, where we see the banning of alcoholic sales. Now, the phrase begins to decline as craft breweries, vineyards, and other sales of non-water beverages become commonplace by the end of the 20th century. And so nowadays, I think we might have seen the last legs of Adam's ale.